Gukiroka gukia niguo imaramari toekaine ihithukire shesheni no ya borithi na niguo obithaa uria rokaga kurora uria shesheni iraiya korire gutwitwo. Obithaa umwe uria uma wira-ini atigirwo na nguraro na atekweigua riria aru nake atatu mauma wira wa birigiceni nja ya shesheni.
And before they could be back, that is the time when this incident took place. So we had 4 officers, not 1. So the 3 went to respond to a call within the compound.
Gatagati ka indo iria cirwo ni micinga 7 muthemba wa G3 na rithathi 180.
Each magazine contains 20 rounds. So we are talking of 184 rounds of ammunition that have been stored together with the firearms.
Kuringana na komanda wa gicigo kiu Moses Ombati ni aroria mundu ungikorwo na uhoro wigie indo cia borithi aheane ndumiriri kuri borithi ya hakuhi guku akiuga ni mekwambia birigiceni ya gwethana na miitu iyo.
Anybody seen with such kind of items that belongs to the police also to assist us with the information, and maybe once we are through what we think is likely to give us some good results.
Abithaa uria aragurario arathi na mbere kwamukira urigiti thibitari-ini imwe mwena ucio. Handu-ini ya Inooro TV njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.